Hello, my name's Gerald.
Hi, I'm Wathon.
And welcome to our home. So we're looking for something a bit more modern and maybe just interspersed with a little bit of like dark wood and something with a little bit more grains and a little bit more marbling, just to give that balance of feels. That's got to be the kitchen for me with the island. It's a standout feature for me, and I like that it's really a social space for everybody together and just chill out at the house.
I really like the kitchen. I got my big stove and island. That's what I wanted when we were renovating our house. I knew her since secondary school, so I knew that when I wanted to renovate my house, I would go to her because she knows what I want and she brings my idea to life. Yeah.
When we met them, it was a really it was almost like kindred spirits, you know, really easy to talk to. They guide us through the process, what to expect, the different phases. So everything was really quite natural, and we just it was a really easy decision at the end of the day. I would say do your homework, have an idea of what you want or rather what you have in mind at the start. Then speak to a couple of IDs. Find somebody that you're comfortable with and somebody that's aligned with your vision and what you're looking for. Then it's really easy to talk about anything that you want done or you want changed, because nothing's perfect, right? The whole process, there will be hiccups along the way, there'll be bumps, but as long as you have somebody that sees or has the same vision as you, then it's really easy to work out anything or sort of just come to a compromise, really. And at the end of the day, as long as you're happy, then that's what you want. All right, thank you very much.
You.
See you again.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.